Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are in Columbia, Missouri. We had a fun breakfast with Cameron from Midwest.
Smart Doll, etc. It's a long name.
Yeah, I can never get the names right. You all know that. Thank you, Cameron. This has been so much fun.
It has. Thank you so much for coming up to meet me here in Columbia. And I'm so excited to become friends with you.
Oh, I love that. We had met Cameron at Puddle. He is the nicest guy. We were so thrilled when he contacted us that he was going to be coming down the highway that's not far from where we live. And we went and met him for breakfast. And we must sit there, what, Darren, 2.5 hours?
Yeah, something like that.
Just chatting and laughing and having a good time. And we had our dolls on the table and we were getting the side eye. And the people behind us were listening us talk about the high-end dolls and stuff. It was so much fun. If you get the opportunity to meet up with another Dolly friend in real life, do it. You won't be sorry. So after we saw Cameron, we were headed to another event, and we went ahead and stopped in the fabric store. What a surprise. Actually, I stopped there for a reason. Thank you, Elise, for giving me that reason. But I want to show you a couple things I got at Walmart for the fabric for my dolls. Oh, I want to point out my little sweetie here. I made this itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Oh gosh, way before Puddle, and I've been meaning to show it and keep, you know, time. It's just ticking. And Darren and I are trying to ride bikes again, and that's an hour or two or however long out of a day. But yeah, I really like how that came out. Very happy with it, and I love her little yellow cup to go with it. I have been finding black and white print. I had this covered real well because of the car. Leggings, like at garage sales. Wait, something's in there. Sure enough, I forgot about these. Oh, don't throw it away. Okay, set that there. I have been buying different print, black and white leggings, and these are gigantic. They are, oh, these are just extra large. I looked at some other clothes that were like 6X. Anyway, what I do is I take the pattern, I line up the print. You gotta line up, when you're using checks, any kind of checkered print, you need to line that up so it comes out right. So line up your bottom and then lay your pattern so that this is the bottom and your hem is already finished. So I got these for that, and I saved these hangers because I hang our clothing. I don't hang our towels or sheets, but I hang our clothing. If they last longer, look better, and you never have to iron them. This was $1, by the way. Did you see all this fabric? I mean, I'm gonna make skirts and stuff out of this. Some of you are looking at that thinking, why don't you wear it? Yeah, it's not me. Then they had buttons on sale. And you know Fritz the Frog, I've been making those beanbag frogs, and I thought, you know what, that's some cute eyes. So I got those. And in a trip before, I got this after Puddle too. I'm telling you, Puddle, the event. It was so fun. And I'll tell you when the tickets hit after I get my own, because I don't want you beating me to a ticket. It's 148 people. And because of that, it is so much fun because you get to talk to everybody, and there's room to do things, and room at the table, and room at the table for your dolls, and you can sit down and visit. So I bought this. It's a dress, and I got it for $11. I love peasant tops. I grew up in the 70s, 60s, 70s, and we wore these all the time. $11. What I'm gonna do, the plan is to cut the bottom off and make one of my Smart Dolls a matching top for the Dress Like Your Doll. I might do a Blythe one too. Dress Like Your Doll.
That'd be cute.
Thank you.
The three of you.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. And a lot of work. Okay, here is what I got on one trip. I think I got this the day before on the way to St. Louis. And I got this for the moon is made of cheese. I want to make her a little mouse outfit, you know, like the PJ type. So I got that. And I use this fabric all the time. I really like it. Some people say, oh, it looks like 70s disco. You know what? I came up in the 70s. Didn't know too many people that wore this. I have a top and I want to make a swimsuit bottom and couldn't find the fabric, so I bought a little more. Then, oh, where's that other package? There's another, hold the phone. Found it on the way to St. Louis on Saturday. You know, we go in Love's and I collect these little purses. Oh, this isn't it. Well, I got this one, so you might as well see it. These are just cute little purses.
I thought that was the one you got.
It is. I was thinking I got the other one, but it's in the other room. I won't go get it right now. But these are so cute. They're just little purses. They're $5.99. You know what you're getting rather than the $10 and who knows what's in there. I like these for my 28-inch my Irene. I think they're a little big for the Smart Dolls. However, Irene from Irene's Dolly Space had one with her pair, and I thought it fit pretty good. I have one of these in the houndstooth. So when I saw this, I think it's stretch. No, it looks like stretch, but it's not. I want to make a little outfit out of this, maybe a little dress with the matching purse. And while I was at Hobby Lobby, I got this little camera. I think it's a better size for, what do you think? You think that's too small for her?
Yeah, it's more of an 18-inch or so. But
Yeah, it's more of Blythe size because of the head.
yeah.
Yeah, more Blythe, but cute, cute, cute. Got it half price, so it was $2.50. Thought that was adorable. And on clearance for 82 cents, I got this roping, which would be really cute on a, oh, what are the tops called? Can't think. Little top for Smart Dolls. Then Sunday, when did I get this? This was Saturday too. I got this at Hobby Lobby and this at Joann's. I could not believe they had this. I didn't think they were going to make this anymore. Thrilled to death. 6 yards, $2.99. Look at the colors I got. Red and hot pink and blue and purple and turquoise and yellow. And Darren said, oh, should you get more? Yeah, probably should have. Probably never see it again. I'll be saying, oh, I wish I had gotten that. This was in St. Louis, not St. Louis County when we went for lunch, right?
No, it was South County. St. Louis.
Was it South County?
Yeah.
Okay. Love this. It was on sale, went to get a yard, and there was 1 yard left. They gave it to me for the, what do you call it? Remnant price, $1.74. I got this for some PJs for my Smart Dolls. And Darren found this and he thought it would be cute for Limitless, Limitless. And they had 2 yards. They gave me one for, this was on sale. They gave it to me for Remnant, but when I got to the register, I don't think they did, but it was less than $4 a yard, so I'm fine with that. And then I got this Sunday. I went in, I had seen this fabric. I knew somebody who would like to have it, and she said she was a ways from Joann's, so I'm gonna get that in the mail for her. And I got this for PJs for the Winterfest. I thought it'd be cute for my girls in the later evening lives at the Winterfest, which is a Smart Doll, 1/3 doll online event. We're just gonna have fun. There's gonna be contests and guest speakers, all kinds of things. But I thought I'd make a pair of PJs out of these for one of my Smart Dolls. You can find out more about the Winterfest on lovingmysmartdoll.com. Now, I went to find, and I'm still searching for, itty bitty mouse print fabric. I have some coming from AliExpress. Will it be small enough? Well, that's a question. But they had this and not a lot of it, and I thought it's really cute. I'll be sorry if I don't get it. And we don't, you know, it's a good ways to a fabric store from here. It's at least 40 minutes. And I thought, well, maybe I can make her a little throw blanket and get some like, oh, I don't know, what do you call it? Maroon and forest green ribbon and put on that. I don't know, something like that. So that's what I got. It was a lot of fun, but the fun thing was visiting with Cameron. Thank you, Cameron. He is, what is his name on Instagram? Midwest
Smart Doll something.
Oh, let me find it. It's Midwest Smart Doll, etc. Go by and take a look at his dolls. Oh, he has, oh, beautiful. I wanted to point this out. I think it's its last day. It looks like I hit this while I was moving stuff around. This opened this morning. Darren brought this in on June 16th for our anniversary, our wedding anniversary. And every morning since, there have been flowers that have opened up. Today is June 25th. That's a long time for house flowers. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and if you would, please subscribe.